How to use the Replicator app in Canva. Open your preferred browser and head over to Canva by typing canva.com and hit enter. Open a design page if you have one ready, or start a new project to work with. Duplicate any existing text in your design and change it to a $sign to use as our replication example. Navigate to the Apps section, then type Replicator in the search bar and press enter. Click on the Replicator app to access its settings. Select the text you want to replicate and click the Replicate button. Choose your replication pattern. Options include linear, grid, circular, and wave. For this demonstration, let's select the grid option. You can customize the number of columns to control how many copies stretch horizontally. Similarly, adjust the rows to decide how many replicate vertically. Modify the horizontal space to set the distance between each replicated item horizontally. Change the vertical space for the vertical distance between items. Expand the More Options section to further refine your design. Adjust the slide to tilt or shift your replication in a specific pattern. Use the rotation to angle each replicated element as needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on the Continue button. The app will prompt you to choose a font. Select one that complements your overall design. After a moment of processing, your replicated $sign appears. Adjust its size to fit your canvas. Right-click on the $sign and choose Send to Back from the layer options for optimal layering. Finally, adjust the transparency from the top menu to ensure it blends seamlessly with your design. And there you have it.